actually not long enjoyed her breakfast, so she has a very messy beak right now. Really wants to bite the thorn. Today we actually have a little treat for Quaffle. I say today, it's going to be a couple of days before she can actually have the treat. We've recently actually had a slight change to Quaffle's dietary plan. We ended up investing in Mikey and Mia's dry mix, which she's thoroughly enjoying. We also treated her, where are they? There they are, to the Soaring Wing sprouting mix as well. Now, we actually didn't have any seed sprouters, but they told us it's fine, you can still use a sieve. We don't have a sieve either, so we couldn't actually start the sprout. So I have gone onto Amazon and got some sprouting jars. So we are going to get these sprouting jars out, try and make some sprouts. I need to watch the Soaring Winds video and how to actually do the sprouting. And then we're actually going to see how Quaffle finds sprouting in a couple of days. Day 2 of sprouting. Time to rinse. Found recently, Quaffle has developed a bit of a fascination with her reflection. She seemed very interested in the bird in the reflection, not even wanting to do training this morning. Wants to sit in the kitchen staring at the other bird. I think we need to get you a friend soon. I offered you to go fly, you said no. You want to go fly? You can't go fly this morning, I've got work. Come over here, do some tricks, come on. Good girl, go under. Under. There we go. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Do a spin. You're doing under. Come on, 2 tricks this time, 2 tricks. Are you enjoying your dinner, Jason? We are now making Quaffle breakfast. As you can see, we've just got some veg, nice and moist. It's actually defrosted veg, but it's human grade defrosted veg, so it's not too bad. And then we get some Mighty Mia's mix and put that in. Lots of Mighty Mia's mix. Oh, I've not put it away yet. Patience, darling. I know you love the Mighty Mia's mix. Just wait. So you pour it into here. Look at her go for it already. Already after it. Greedy monkey. Quaffle, can you at least wait until I put it in your bowl, darling? Then, 1 spoonful of the new Mighty Mia / wet chop into her bowl. And that is her breakfast. I know it's your favourite breakfast, isn't it? You're very welcome. And then we put the rest in the fridge, ready for another day.